Days tend to look all the same. You wake up, have your coffee, and get ready. Go to work, and spend your time in front of a screen, having business meetings, reading emails, and other boring work stuff. Waiting for the day to be over. Just to go home and do it all again. Again. And again. This is how monotonous and repetitive our daily lives were. Honestly, we couldn't really tell one day from the next. Every weekend we would try to escape the city. We would go on little trips into nature to recharge and find quiet moments and breathe fresh air again.
At some point, we felt the need to change our lives, so we didn't just want short breaks from this life. That's when we actually decided to start looking for a house and nature in Italy. A place where we could slow down, create something meaningful, and finally start the projects we kept dreaming about. We found it, and we finally took a leap of faith. We packed our life into boxes, then packed some more and some more. The road led us here.
We were very excited to start organizing a new house and garden, but little did we know how much energy it would take. It was definitely a lot of work, both mental and physical. Lots of back and forth and back and and forth.
We had to learn a lot of new things and made a lot of mistakes. Honestly, it was challenging and at times overwhelming. But actually, the fact that we were doing it in nature, it changed everything. Even the hard days felt different. They felt more real and more alive. Life in nature does really change you. Hi, I'm Elena.
And I am Alex.
And we're excited to bring you along on this journey with us. To share the challenges, the lessons, and everything we're learning along the way. Welcome to our new life. RegenEra, feeding our souls one seed at a time.